हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द वेरी फर्स्ट पॉडकास्ट ऑफ रैप एंड फर। मेरा नाम चिन्मयी है और आज ये पॉडकास्ट एक बहुत स्पेशल पॉडकास्ट होगा क्योंकि हम इसमें पेट पेरेंट्स को दूसरे पेट पेरेंट्स की जर्नी के बारे में बताएंगे। वो जर्नी बहुत स्पेशल होगी जिससे वो दूसरे पेट पेरेंट्स से कुछ सीख सकें। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आज के पॉडकास्ट में जिनके साथ हम बातचीत करेंगे वो बहुत स्पेशल हैं क्योंकि वो अपने पेट के साथ 20 फ़्लाइट्स फ्लाई कर चुके हैं और वही पहले पेट थे जो अंडमान भी फ्लाई करे थे। सो हम चलते हैं उस स्पेशल गेस्ट के घर जिसका नाम बुन्नू है और उसके साथ बातचीत करते हैं और समझते हैं कि एक बार फ्लाई करते हैं अगर हम पेट के साथ तो हमें क्या क्या सामान की ज़रूरत होती है, हमारा पहला दिन कैसा दिखता है, आगे उधर हमें क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ सकती है या हम अपने आप को कैसे प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं। एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, एक पेट के साथ फ्लाई करने के लिए कितना अमाउंट स्पेंड करना होता है। Hi, sir. Hi, ma'am. So, we have known you for the longest time. So, can you tell us more about yourself and, of course, the star of the show, Bunnu?
Hi Chinmay. As you know, we've been working together, I think, for a very long time.
Yeah.
But most of the community doesn't know much about both of us. Both of us are not only just content creators or just a pet parent. We also have a 9 to 5 job. We have been working for more than a decade now. In
But you
corporate.
people look so young for that.
Thank you so much. We'll take it as a compliment. So I have been working for almost 15 years now, and she has been also working for more than 12 years. The star of the show, Bunnu, he came into our life with a breath of fresh air. He just gave us that inspiration because I always like to create videos and everything, but I never took it as a passion.
So, how come Bunnu came into your life? Were you planning to adopt a pet or it happened by chance?
I think you would better be able to answer this, huh?
Yeah, so actually we did not have a plan to bring home a pet at that point of time because we both were working. I mean, we are still working. So we were always very skeptical about the fact that we'll have to leave the baby home and then go for work. But then it was just post COVID era, and then everybody was working from home, and we thought that that will continue. As is for a long time, and then even then we never thought we'll get a pet. So I went to a friend's house because she wanted to adopt a fur baby. Okay. And then from nowhere he just came running to me, and he just started playing, and then I clicked his picture and sent it to Suraj, and I told him, look, he's so cute and playful. He was not supposed to actually go there. He just saw the photo and he became, I don't know what happened, what change that came into his mind. He became
Yeah.
emotional. He just rushed, and he was disagreeing that he will go there because
Okay.
it was a four-story building and there was no lift. He was like, I'll not go. You just go with your friend and bring the baby.
Baby home.
Yeah, but the way he approached us, as if he knew that
So,
we
this
would
is
be-
something which we can call it as a destiny.
destiny. Yeah,
Because seems like it happened by just the god grace that he came running towards you and sir, after just looking at the picture you just followed ma'am and you just went there to bring Bunu home.
absolutely. And he
General.
was home. And actually, my brother that day was in college. Even he don't know. He came home and he saw Bunu was in the home. He was also surprised. So it was that unplanned actually.
Yeah.
But yeah, he brought positive changes into our life. Like
So
it was
ma'am,
great.
how it started that you started traveling with Bunu so much through air, by flights, was because when you started it was not very common in India to fly with a pet.
So actually, I used to love traveling since beginning. Since childhood, to be very honest. So when we, got him home, our parents and our relatives, they actually told that now you got him home, now you won't be able to travel, and there are a lot of things. And I just wanted to prove that no, this is a myth. It's not that with pets you can't travel. So I tried to research a lot about it because we are working, we can't take long leaves. No, is it there any way we can travel by air? But we did not find any source online because that point of time it was very rare. Like it was 2022, and I don't think many of the pet parents traveled via air, back then. So he was just 4 months old that we started traveling, and when he turned 6 months we thought let's give it a try because we weren't sure will he be comfortable or not. But his first flight was so smooth, and
Yeah.
then we got a boost that okay,
You can do it.
Yeah, we can do it.
So can you just give more details, because everyone, including the audience, will love to know what was the first destination where Bunnu flied.
So at back then we did not have any Instagram page, and we were not planning also to have an Instagram page. So the first destination that we went was to Guwahati, because but we did not have page, so we couldn't share that experience with our fellow pet parents. It was Durga Puja. I'm Bengali, so
Okay.
for me Durga Puja is really special, and every year I go home. So that was the first time when I traveled outside. That was for Durga Puja and to my hometown Guwahati.
Okay, so when you decided that you are taking Bunnu to your hometown, Guwahati, so how things went? Because that could be the first question that will come to every pet parent when they plan their air trip with their pets.
So we were very nervous because we didn't know anything. We called the airlines; they were also not very clear. What was the procedure? We just followed whatever it was there in the FAQ, and we went with the mindset that if we have to come back, we'll come back. We went with the mindset that you won't be allowed. So, that
As per my understanding, what I understand is you just booked the tickets and just keeping everything on the fate, you went to the airport packing with Bunnu
yes.
to have your very first flight with him.
Correct. And we told our parents that just in case we miss our flight, don't get disheartened. Maybe, we'll figure out something. So that was the last word I had, before going to the airport. But everything went very smooth on the first flight, and the first flight was so smooth that we got overwhelmed after reaching there, and we forgot his bag itself, the air carrier bag. We left it in the airport. When we reached home, we saw that okay, the bag was missing. So we were so overwhelmed after his first flight, as if we have achieved something in our life.
Yes, this is the part of the story, but more parents will be interested in knowing how do you decide what you should carry with Bunnu, what were the policies of the airline that needs to be followed, or what was the scenario at the airport when you arrive with the Bunnu. Because I personally feel when you just check into the airport, there is a policeman who checks the ID. So what was his reaction? We will love to know that.
you take that up.
So probably I will take this one. It is for Delhi. The first one was very. He asked me that ये allowed है इसमें, and I was like yes, बिल्कुल
होता
तो हम
है,
लेके
अभी-
जा ही रहे हैं. That's the reason
he said
कि ये
to try
allowed
with
है.
it.
So he went to his supervisor and checked कि that these guys are taking a dog along with them. Is he allowed? So he was like कि चलो जाके एयर इंडिया वाले को किसी को बुला के लो and then get it.
So, if the police persons or the checking officials, you are checking this podcast, or any government officials, you can make sure that you train your persons who are checking that yes, dogs are allowed, and make this so common that they don't have to rush and ask to the supervisors or the concerned flights that whether pets are allowed or not.
Yeah.
But I think this has changed now. Now
Yeah.
we don't face any issues.
At
because
least in the big cities.
yeah,
we don't face any kind
yeah.
of these kind of challenges.
Because these days, I think every other day a pet is traveling,
So can we give this everyday pet travel credit to Bunnu's channel or Instagram page? Because maybe you people are one of those pioneer in this air travel with pet that made it look so accessible that yes, now pet parents are trying to make sure that they can fly with their pet.
Now it is very common because we have seen another dog or cat being traveling with us, and there was an instance, and because of which we had to write to the airline as well, because two pets are allowed in a particular category. That business class category was not there in that particular flight, so we had to come back as well. So
Yeah.
it's always that dilemma that are we going to get that flight or not? It's always our parents also, they are also checking that Bunnu का सब कुछ हो गया. So they don't ask that how are you feeling. They just ask that
Bunnu आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है?
Bunnu's, all the procedures for Bunnu has been done or not.
So I'll just take you back to the answer you were giving. You said there are two pets which are allowed in a business class seats.
No.
No, so there is sorry to interrupt. So there is one in business class, one in economy class. That was there back in the day, more than 1 year back. Now they have ensured that there are two pets who are allowed in a particular flight.
If someone is a pet parent and they want to travel economy, they can travel with their pets.
Yes, definitely.
And I'll go back to a question that you asked that do you believe that you are pioneer of flying with pets? I would like to take some credit of it, definitely, because after we posted few reels, there were a lot of pet parents who reached out to us. We have helped them a lot, and they say that okay, your guidance helped us fly as well. So yes, I would like to take that partially, that yeah, we
And
have
obviously,
started
we
this.
will give this credit to you, because if it wouldn't have been the scenario, we wouldn't have been shooting this podcast with you.
He also supported a lot during the flights, and the airlines also more or less was good, but at times we like he said that there were instances when we had to come back also. There are a lot of other instances as well, but still I would say that flying with a pet is not that difficult these days, and it's very common. It's just that you have to train your pet very
Okay, as per my research, which I have done for this podcast, I came to know only two airlines in India allow the pets, which is Akasa Airlines and Air India. So, if someone from the airline is listening to this podcast, you need to make traveling with pet very common by just taking a small step by allowing more pets in the flights, and maybe more airline companies can allow the pets. Just a small request on the behalf of every parent who want to fly with their pets.
I would just say that normalize this. It is not something very unique. It is not something very special. This is very normal. So normalize this in our day-to-day life. Don't see that something different or some different creature has come and that
Agreed.
that animal is flying. No, just consider them as a baby and allow that. I think you need not make pet parents' life harder who is actually trying to travel with a pet, and it's at time necessity also. It's not that every time you go for a vacation, it can be an emergency of anything. So normalize these things. I think things will be easier, and
Yeah.
pet parents should be responsible while traveling, and also the other people who are not pet parents should accept the fact that okay, pets are also babies.
Okay.
So both ways, I think.
Okay, and according to my second research, which says only pet with certain weight are allowed in the flight. How true is it? Can you just tell more about that?
Weight restriction is definitely there. All right. So you mentioned two airlines who have allowed pets to travel in the cabin. All right. So in cabin you can take up to 10 kgs in Akasa Air, and
the bag.
with the carrier. All right. So both
Combined weight should be
yeah,
10
pet
kg.
plus carrier combined weight should not exceed 10 kgs.
Okay.
And in Air India it is 7 kgs with the carrier. However, when you are taking your pet in hold, all right, sometimes there are medical conditions, medical requirements, then it is 25 kgs with the carrier, all right. But because we have a Shih Tzu, all right, so he is a short, flat-faced dog, all right. So they sometimes may face difficulty in breathing in the hold area, so it is not suggested for these
Okay.
breed of dogs. However, the long snout dogs, they can go in
Yeah.
the hold area as well.
Hold area is a specific area within the luggage area, wherever the suitcase and everything goes. They have a separate area.
It
within
is
that,
more
right?
like a luggage that is
Yeah,
getting
yeah.
carried.
That's good.
So
That's
it
true.
can just leave a trauma to the
Yes,
pet also.
it can.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
can. It
So
definitely.
when you just introduce me to the term that yes, pet can travel through the carriage wala part.
can. Yeah.
So is there any weight specification for that also? Because I hope
25 and 35 kgs.
In the hold.
In the hold.
That with luggage,
With luggage.
up to 25 kgs they allow.
so for example, if I am a pet parent and I have like a golden retriever, so the average weight of a golden retriever goes around 35 to 38 kg when he's 1 year. So will I be allowed to travel with him if I keep him for the carrier part also, just because it's an emergency?
Yeah, I think that totally depends on the airline sometimes if they accept it as an exception or not. However, trains are, I think, better
Better.
for
For the
the bigger dogs, because I've seen golden retrievers traveling in train, and I think the restrictions in railways is much lesser.
Because they can have more pee breaks
Yeah,
and they can
yeah.
spend more
You don't
time
have to
with
be
them.
inside the bag, because for them
They
like when
they
you
can reserve the whole
Yeah.
coop for them, and
Yeah.
they can
Coop
travel.
or first class. I mean,
Okay.
either. So if it is first class, your co-passenger should not be having any problem. Then it's okay. You can travel in first class also.
Okay.
If not, then yeah, coupe is the
Okay.
better way to travel.
ठीक. Can you just tell more about the pricing, how it comes when you fly with Bunu? Because I know parents love to travel with the pet and fly with them, but sometimes no assumptions are that it might be as expensive
Yeah.
because no one knows because there are no clear rules which you can see on the website.
Correct.
Mm-hmm. So this is one of the very common question that I've been asked in the airport as well. People have stopped me. First question, is he allowed? Second question, how much does it cost? All right. So costing part depends on where you are sitting. If you're sitting in an economy class, um, it is based on the weight of your pet along with the carrier. So Bunu generally weighs 5 or less kgs, and with the bag he weighs around 6 kgs. So it is 650 rupees if you're flying with economy per kg. That comes around 3000 rupees plus your GST taxes 5%. And if we are traveling by business class, that goes up to 800 to 900,
720 rupees.
720
Per
rupees
kg.
per kg.
Yeah.
And that what 6 sevens are 4,500
Yeah.
rupees.
But still, I feel that there is affordability when it comes to flying.
That's correct.
For Air India,
So
this
we
is the
can-
cost. But for Air Akasa, it's different. It's flat 7,500. I mean 7,500, irrespective of the weight.
Okay, if someone wants to travel on the affordability with their pets, they can choose Air India because it's cheaper than Air Akasa. Because according to you, Air Akasa's traveling with pet fare is fixed. That is 7,500.
Yeah, yeah.
But I would still recommend, sorry to interrupt
Yeah.
you, you know, with Air India, we've been flying with Air India almost every time, but there is always an ambiguity, right? Last minute check-in is there because with your pet, you cannot book, you cannot be 100% sure that, you're flying that aircraft with the ticket and everything, with everything possible. right?
Means you have paid for the Bunu's ticket, but you are
That happens after you reach the airport.
Okay.
So there is no
Yeah.
advance booking for
Yeah.
Air India. But for Akasa, they have like advance booking for pet as well, and also the weight restrictions are little easier on for Air Akasa.
wow. So if someone is traveling for the very first time, they want to travel with Air India, they can be just traveling with the pet to the airport,
Yeah.
or they have to inform the Air India before
can.
boarding.
They can, but it's not mandatory that you need to inform in advance for Air India. Just you can go to the airport on the day of travel and then do the formalities. But for Air Akasa, you have to pre-book the tickets for the pet as well. And there is one more thing actually which recently changed. So earlier Air India used to allow 5 kgs with the carrier. Now they have increased it to 7 kgs with the carrier. But they're still strict with the weight guidelines.
Okay, because sometimes Shih Tzu tend to gain weight. So because of lot of health reasons, or maybe with age they tend to gain weight. So restriction for the 7 kg should move to around 10 kgs so that
I wish that
there should be a uniformity in the airline association, so that, and there should be some proper guidelines which could be given by the airline as an airline community, so that it become easier for a pet parent. They don't have to carry or memorize different kind of a rules for every.
I agree.
True.
Because that gray area is a gamble, right? It may or may not happen. So we would not want that gray area to be there. We have not flown with Air Akasa as of now, but what I have heard from fellow pet parents who have flown Air Akasa, that they are very particular with everything that they are there.
Yeah,
So
they are
they
very
have
particular.
they've written all the rules. They have made everything standardized, and everything is there on their website.
So can we give like a thumbs up for Air Casa for doing amazing work for the pet parents and for the fellow pets for sure.
Yeah, definitely yes. First time when we missed our flight, that was when we were on media and then we posted a lot of things. Because of this gray area, we missed the flight. So then Air India in fact changed their policy. So on FAQ it will be written that you can book your pet 72 hours earlier, but in reality it has not changed. It's still the
ground
same.
reality is different.
It's different. You have to reach the airport on the day of travel. But yeah, with Air Akasa, I think these things are easier.
Okay, so can we just go back to the day when you missed the flight? People will love to know what happened at the airport.
Oh
Gosh,
that day
it was kind of a horrific day, I would say. It was a bad dream that we knew may happen someday, but
But you were not ready for the
we
same.
were not that much ready. I would say still I think we
Because-
coped up with that because we already had a mindset that anytime you have to come back. But then when it really happens, it hits you very
because
hard.
we were traveling during that time when her father was not very doing very good. Plus, it was Durga Puja time as well, so we had booked our tickets and we had made all of our plans. However, when we reached there, so we generally what we do is we reach at least 4 hours before our actual flight.
So you mean to say if we are traveling with a pet, we need to travel like 4 hours prior
Yeah.
than the
If Air
check-in
India,
time?
for Air Akasa, I don't think it's required because pets are already booked and it's confirmed. But for Air India, please try to reach as early as possible, because if there will be any alternate or other pets and you are the second one to reach airport, then the first pet will get priority. Like despite the fact that you reached 4 hours early.
Yeah. So during that time, their policy was that in one category of if there is only economy, there is only one pet that is
Yeah,
allowed,
Okay.
and
one
if it
is
is
allowed.
business, then 2 pets are allowed. For unfortunately, it was an economy only
All
flight,
economy flight, so there was no
and
business class.
and there was a
seats.
cat that arrived. So in our minds, we were just praying, I hope they are not in our same flight,
But they
but
were.
unfortunately, they
They
were on the
were
same
there.
And they
flight.
just reached, I think, 5 minutes ahead
5
of them.
minutes
And the
ahead of
counter
us.
was not opened yet, but because she was standing like
First
was
come,
the-
first serve.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was like we came back. It was really disheartening. But then we raised the issue with the airline. Things changed on papers, but yeah.
Yeah, but otherwise now they allow at least 2 pets in economy as well. So
Okay.
we have flown that way as well.
Okay, so I'll take you to the day which was not good for you when you were flying with Air India and your father was not ill. So, since you mentioned you people booked your flights and you also mentioned that the price for the pet ticket is charged once you reach the destination. Since your tickets were booked, so were they refunded because you never boarded that flight? Because, yes, we want to travel with the pet, but at the same time, if we aren't traveling, we might look for the money to be refunded in our
Yeah, of
accounts.
course, no.
So we tried, to be honest, we wrote to the airline that this ticket was booked, but we had to come back. When we got a response, they said that we may refund your ticket price. However, in reality, when we fought and we kept on asking them, so they kind of pushed it for 2, 3, 5, 4, 5 weeks, and after that they said that we will not be refunding your amount. So that amount went.
Yeah.
Plus, we had to book the next flight that was more expensive
Because it was a last minute flight.
Last minute, so that was like.
because we had to travel.
We couldn't cancel that trip because my father.
So this is like it's like fate if you get a ticket with Air India, else you will lose the money if you're
Yeah, yeah.
booking. Okay. So, was there any instance where you were able to just interact with any of the airline companies because they wanted to discuss what are the problems or what are the hurdles pet parent face, or they wanted to reframe the policy for the pet parents, something like that, which ever happened in your
honest,
life?
we would really want airlines to be reaching out to fellow pet parents to understand that what.
Because they need to understand the
Yeah.
mindset of a pet parents, because since you people have fly 20 times with him, so I feel you must be having an experience which is better than some of the parents which might not have fly with such frequency.
Yeah. So we would definitely love that any airline would reach out to us or any other fellow pet parent to understand that what's the psyche, what are the situations that we go through, but that hasn't happened. When we wrote after we missed the flight, thankfully Air India changed some of their policy and they increased the weight restriction from 5 to 7 kgs, but no interaction so far.
Okay, so let's take you to the interaction with the cabin crew. How is it? Matlab, you get more of a fan moment, or is it like yes, or is it like are pet allowed, or they react differently sometime? We will love to know both the sides of the coin.
It's very much mixed. At times, the crew is very friendly, and then they will ask what else is required if we'll have something. But there are also crew is super strict who doesn't even let open the zip of the bag. So it depends actually, how the crew is, and we have got both good and bad experiences.
But
There-
mostly good.
Mostly good, yeah. But yeah, there were
80% cases
80%
we
good.
have seen good
20% I would say that they were
Very, very strict.
very very strict, and one of the cabin crew also told that just close the zip and put in
near your feet.
under the seat actually. Then we said no, that's not possible, but she was like, this is the policy, you'll have to do that.
Yeah, because we generally keep Bunu on our lap and we try and feed Bunu water, all right? And they told us that in case of an emergency, it will be difficult for you. And then I clearly told that lady, in case of an emergency, this person is going first, then I'll be going out.
Yeah.
So then
Maybe-
she did not say.
Maybe after seeing this podcast, she will understand what were the emotions you hold
Yeah.
for him. It's a kid. It's not a pet.
No, yeah,
Seriously, he's
absolutely.
not.
Okay. So I feel we are getting emotional at this point. But at the same time, I'm really sorry I'm taking a lot of your time.
That's
And
all right.
but yes, this issue needs to be addressed. And and again, no one is better than you people answering these questions. So I'll love to take you on another side, on another set of questions. That is, what happen if there is a toddler in the flight boarded, and what if sometimes no toddlers, even the parenting is good, but the toddler is afraid of a dog. I'm really sorry for mentioning this way. What if the toddler is afraid of the pet? So it could be the scenario. I'm just assuming it might have happened with you also.
See, priority wise, the toddler will get the priority. That's very natural because the crew will also, take care of the toddler first, and then the pet will be second priority. However, because there is a rule, we have boarded the flight, unless our pets are misbehaved, they can't, or they're outside the bag, they can't ask us to deboard. In such scenarios, they will become a little extra strict with you. Maybe the crew will observe. They'll ensure that all the zip are completely tied, even if
He's
the-
not making any sound.
he's not making any sound, or even if he's thirsty, there might be chances that they won't allow you to open the zip of the
Okay.
bag.
So, since you mention a lot of time that there are situations when you are asked to just close the zip of the bag, which might be a very uncomfortable situation, because all I can do is I can just assume the situation, what might have happened at that scenario. I can't really just be in that moment. But can you just help the pet parents who are planning to travel with the pet? How can they keep the pet hydrated or can make them feel easier at the flight?
Yeah, sorry to interrupt, but yeah, it is kind of, we have kind of built a hack for it, and we
Okay.
have made a documented process as well. So I can share that Google document with you.
So is it like a checklist which we can share with a...
Definitely.
Yeah,
we'll
so
share
it has everything from bags and from whatever things that we are taking along with us whenever we are traveling with Bunnu. So what we do is, first is your carrier bag, that has to be airline approved and has to be well ventilated. All right, and then we carry three portable fans, which does not make any noise. So we ensure that it is very silent, because one fan, you would have seen in the videos as well, one fan she holds, one fan I'm holding. There is a third fan which is which I am using myself to cool myself because I feel very anxious during the first 10-15 minutes, because the crew can come and say that your dog is kind of outside the bag, put him inside, and I feel very anxious.
and they
during
can
that
ask you
time.
to deboard also.
Yeah,
If,
so-
as long as the flight is on ground.
So generally, I tell her that until the we are taking off, just ensure that he's calm. So we also carry a pet or water spray bottle.
Okay.
In case you're not able to feed your dog water in a bowl, it is better that you can spray near his
Yeah.
mouth. So
Mouth,
he is
face.
now trained to drink that water from spray, and we also drench him with water so that his
feels
body
cold.
is can because it is very difficult for them to manage their heat, right? So that's why we also carry some towels as well. We wet the towel and put on him, then with the fan we are just cooling him down. So first 20 minutes we are just settling him.
Yeah.
We don't even settle ourselves. The first thing we do, put our seat belt and then settling into it.
Okay. So next question is, when you say settling him, so on the flight, so is he given a seat next to you, or you are just keeping him on your laps? Because maybe this could be the change airlines can think of, to have like a, if we are taking them as a kid, if we are accepting them as a kid, so it is very important for us to make sure that our kid has a seat next to us.
No, see, the rule is that you have to put the pet inside the bag and under the seat. So
Okay.
that's the rule. But they allow
To
somehow
keep
to give
you
in the
on
lap.
lap.
Yeah, but then they don't give any separate seat. So yeah, that is not given for the pet. Even though they are charged for the flying, but they are not.
No
given.
seats. So yes, we need seats for the pet.
Yeah, I wish, yeah.
At least
Really.
allow them to sit on the lap. If not, don't ask them to put under the seat in the back, because they are, they are living beings. They breathe. But I think people fail to understand that. So
Okay. Next, during the conversation, you mentioned you make sure that Bunnu is silent. He doesn't. There were some words which make me understand you don't want him to bark in the flight.
Yeah.
Was it something that that really bothered the crew or the people boarding, or what
Uh,
is the scenario? Because I haven't traveled where the pet is traveling with us in the flight
hmm.
yet.
Um, the thing is that we always ensure that he is calm, all right. As you would have seen from past 20, 50, 30 minutes that he's just sitting there and not making any noise, right? So he's very calm. But whenever he's warm or he needs something, then there is a possibility that he may bark. Now that's a fear, all right. That's what we have. That if he barks too much, probably they might ask us to deboard. We've seen a lot of kids, right, crying their lungs out, but not even a single person will say that why your kid is crying this much. But they have not heard a dog inside a plane barking. So that's our we feel frightened whenever he starts barking. Thankfully, in past 20 flights, he's only barked twice or thrice.
So maybe just to comfort other fellow passenger, you feel it's better that he doesn't bark.
because anybody can raise concerns.
And for them, yes, it's true. For them, it could be like the first time
Yeah.
to experience that, and that
Yeah.
could make them anxious.
Yeah. Right.
So, how is the scenario when you are into the airport terminals?
Oh, he is a mini celebrity there.
Only
So-
mini celebrity, or we can say like a celebrity there.
No,
People do rush towards us and want to take pictures and all, and we're कितना सुंदर है, चोटी बनाया है, जूता पहना है. These are the questions they ask. So ये fly कैसे करेगा, गोद में करेगा? Then we say that yes. So yeah, inside the terminal we haven't faced any discrimination, or nobody has asked us that keep your pet inside the bag. In fact, people shower more of love than rather than showing any discrimination. So that experience has been always good. Apart from one incident when a CRPF told that even within the terminal you have to keep him inside the bag, we said yes, we'll do it, but we didn't do it because obviously for 4 hours he's not going to sit inside the bag. But that was the only one instance.
Yeah.
Otherwise, people are welcoming.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, have you done any kind of a shopping with him on the airport?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
do. So there's a heads of a tail shop in this T3. So every time we go now, so he enters the shop. I sit there. He plays around the shop. He chooses whatever toys he would want, and then we do that shopping.
Earlier
with him.
so in T3 there is a kids brand toy as well, toy shop as well. So there used to be a dog toy that barks. So whenever he used to hear that noise, he used to start pulling us towards that toy,
Yeah.
that shop. He has those three toys, one cat, one rabbit, one dog.
So, you bought him all the variety which was available over there.
So probably he has much better zoo than Anant Ambani.
But then I have a request, like next time हम जब भी जाए एक रैपिन फर का भी स्टोर होना चाहिए T3
For
में.
sure.
Yeah.
Just the blessings we need and the
We'll
love
go
you
and
show.
sit there. We don't need any lounge or anything. We'll go and sit there and
Okay,
enjoy.
so let's take you to another set of questions. Has he traveled in the business class till yet?
He, I think 20 में से 12 flights या 14 flights I
14
think
flights
इसकी
has been business
business
class.
class only.
So he's richer than me on camera. I'm saying this. I haven't boarded business class flight till yet.
हमने भी नहीं करी थी.
हमने भी नहीं, even we didn't. He was after he came into our lives, for his comfort, we'd give it a push and we ensure that if the aircraft has business class, then he's going to fly business. If the aircraft doesn't have business class, it's all economy, then we don't have a choice.
So celebrity has a standard of flying into the business class.
But yeah, I mean, because there is more space to keep the bag and everything.
एंड बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ में भी जैसे हमारे फ्लाइट सिमिलर फ्लाइट में देयर वर सनत
Jayasuriya.
जयसूर्या वाज देयर सो ही
Jayasuriya
वाज
के
जस्ट
साथ.
सिटिंग इन द नेक्स्ट सीट so he
Yeah.
was there sitting next so we posted a picture along with Sanat Jayasuriya. We have found a lot of celebrities in the airport as well.
But nobody, again I'm telling, it's always not just about complaining. We should also have gratitude towards the fellow passengers as well, because I haven't seen any passenger raising their words at why there is a pet in the business class. We are here to relax. Nobody so
Yeah.
far has done this.
So everyone is as humble and welcoming for the pet and when they are traveling.
I haven't faced any problem, but there could be, but yeah.
हमें तो नहीं बोला, so we were
How does a day look before you board a flight? मतलब पैकिंग कैसे करते हो, कितना करते हो, क्या क्या करते हो?
क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया? इट्स अ पैनिक
हाँ.
मोड.
We get very anxious even though we have taken like so many flights, we have been to so many destinations. मुझे तो अभी भी एंजाइटी होती है, मतलब जब तक फ्लाइट टेक ऑफ नहीं होता मुझे बहुत एंजाइटी होती है.
So we have made a checklist, ठीक है, कि क्या क्या लेके जाना होता है, right? And we always forget to update that checklist, right? So primarily what we do is that we ensure that his health certificates and everything is up to date. His fit to fly certificate is there, alright? So we ensure कि जब भी हम लोग अपने ट्रैवल जब भी प्लान करने शुरू करते हैं उससे पहले इसके सारे मेडिकली सब कुछ ये फिट होना चाहिए. फिट टू फ्लाई सर्टिफिकेट के लिए हम लोग फ़ोन करके बोल देते हैं कि दैट हम लोग आएंगे, जल्दी से चेकअप कराएंगे और आप तैयार करके रखना, ठीक है, बिकॉज द डॉक्टर इज़ अवेयर ऑफ हिज हेल्थ कंडीशंस एंड वी इंश्योर दैट कि हम कुछ टाइम में लेके जाएं इसे. हम खुद नहीं जाते हैं, लेकिन इसका इंश्योर करते हैं कि ये हर एक महीने में एटलीस्ट एक बार डॉक्टर से चेक हो जाए, ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली हम लोग तो एटलीस्ट बोल सकते हैं, ये बेचारे बोल भी नहीं सकते. देन वी इंश्योर दैट इसके टॉयज़ हैं, ये क्या पहनने वाला है.
रैपिन फर के कपड़े तो पहनते हैं.
हाँ, तो प्राइमरीली
there is one brand actually रैपिन फर, तो उसी का कपड़े पहनता है.
हाँ, तो हम लोग इंश्योर करते हैं कि भाई इसके कपड़े सेट हों, इसके टॉय सेट हों, बिकॉज वी गो टू गुड प्रॉपर्टीज़, तो हम लोग बेड नहीं ले जा पाते, बट आई थिंक ये बेड को फोल्ड करके हम एटलीस्ट कुछ जगह तो लेके जा सकते हैं.
Okay.
फिर वी ऑल्सो इंश्योर दैट कि इसके जितने भी भाई साहब के सामान है जैसे फ़ैन वैन सब चार्ज हो. सो दैट इज़ माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड शी इंश्योर्स दैट इसके सारे हेयर के नहाने के शैम्पू, मैं अपने शैम्पू नहीं लेके गया हूँ लेकिन इसके सारे शैम्पू जाते हैं, शैम्पू कंडीशनर पता नहीं क्या क्या, सीरम,
कोम्स, इसके कोम्स है लाइक 5-6 वो जाते हैं. सी द आइडिया इज हमारे सामान हम भूल जाएंगे, स्टिल विल बी एबल टू बाय इट, but for them like it's very difficult to the remote places if you are visiting at least it will be difficult to get this stuff. और मैं एक स्टोरी सुनाती हूँ आपको इस पे, अभी recently हुआ था. So recently we went to Andaman, so everything was set and there is a FAQ in the airlines that you have to carry a muzzle, although they are flat faced, लगाना नहीं होता, but you have to carry one. And it was 8:30 and हमें I think around 10 निकलना था. Suddenly we realized muzzle is missing. Oh God, that was a panic
attack.
I think your BP बढ़ गया था.
हाँ, मैं तो पूरा पसीना
पूरा घर सब अलमारी सब कुछ मतलब निकाल लिया. Still we couldn't find it. We have another house now adjacent there, so वहाँ पे जाके सब अलमारी से सब
ब्लिंकिट भी नहीं करा, ज़ेप्टो भी नहीं करा.
So that we देखो ये छोटा है तो इसके लिए छोटा सा मजल चाहिए,
स्मॉल साइज.
पर हम अब है तो ये मैंडेटरी. देन व्हाट डू यू डू? इट वाज लाइक ऑलरेडी 9:30 एंड वी बोथ वर गेटिंग पैनिक अटैक्स एज इफ हम तो लाइक व्हाट टू डू. फिर हमने एक मजल ज़ेप्टो से ऑर्डर किया, दैट वाज ऑफ अ पिटबुल.
हाँ, इतना बड़ा उसका मजल, इसका पूरा मुंह घुस जाए उसके अंदर.
I was like, Suraj, if the attendant जो काउंटर में रहेंगे, चेक इन काउंटर, if they ask what you will tell, so he said that we'll tell them we are extra cautious, तो पूरा मुंह ही हम घुसा देते हैं मसल में. So but that still ऐसी चीजें भी होती हैं.
So quick commerce is helping us. आपको मजल ला कर दिया.
Helping us in a weird way, but still, but वो जो मतलब situation था ना, like we were just sweating, bed box निकाल रहे हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं.
और ऐसी सिचुएशन थी, हमने पूरा घर तहस नहस कर दिया. सो वी हैड आस्क्ड आवर हेल्प कि घर साफ कर लेना. वो अगले दिन फोन करके भैया आपके घर में चोरी हो गई.
Literally she said कि चोरी हो गई because she opened and everything was we had scattered. भैया आपके घर में चोरी हो गई. So बहुत कुछ होता रहता है ऐसा.
हाँ, तो हमने कहा नहीं यार.
So we can announce over here that yes, Rapid Fur is coming on Blinkit quite soon. Maybe in a month you can see Rapid Fur products on Blinkit.
फिर हमारे लिए और अच्छा है.
बहुत बढ़िया हो जाएगा फिर.
Right. ये तो हो गए funny incidences and travel essentials. So is it important that you carry some toys, because we are really not aware कि it's very important for the toys also.
The way these guys have been brought up, right? So these guys ये तो hunters थे ना, लेकिन हम humans ने इनको change करके कितना इनको humanize कर दिया है. So that's why they get very excited with the toys. अगर आप यही किसी और डॉग्स के साथ में देखोगे जो who are not living with the family, तो शायद उनको उतना नहीं करेगा. But these guys, they are just driven by toys. I have met a lot of pet parents, लेकिन वो हमेशा बोलेंगे कि that there is a special toy that that is there, और ये इनको बहुत काम भी करता है,
So,
de-stress करता है.
so it's more like their comfort is
yes.
Yeah.
अगर आपके बच्चे को पसंद ही नहीं है तो there are kids who doesn't like, फिर तो नहीं चाहिए, बट ऐसे बच्चों के लिए तो डेफिनेटली चाहिए.
जिसके पास पूरा जू है.
हाँ मतलब यार
आज आम भी आ गया.
टॉयज तो लेना मैंडेटरी
So
है.
क्या हम नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट में इसके लिए एक एप्पल या बनाना लेकर आए, बिकॉज आम तो
हाँ, आज ये
ऑलरेडी
mango भी
इसके
आया है.
बगीचे में आ
So,
गया
आज
है.
ये मैंगो भी आया है तो या
हाँ,
नेक्स्ट टाइम एप्पल.
मैंगो पूरा गीला हो रखा है बिकॉज उसने पूरी उसकी हाथ
और
वाथ
बहुत
खा लिया.
प्यार से रखता है अपने टॉयज, वो फाड़ेगा नहीं. लाइक अगर आप मतलब 1 साल बाद भी आओगे टॉय आपको मिलेगा. ही विल बी वेरी जेंटल टुवर्ड्स हिज टॉयज.
Okay. So can you tell more about the paperwork which happened just before the pet flies? Because maybe paperwork is something which makes pet parent afraid कि अब ये paperwork कैसे करवाएंगे, कैसे होगा, कैसे start करना है.
You have to ensure that आपके medical certificates are there, alright?
Up to date.
Up to date. So all your vaccinations are there, especially rabies, right? And then you have जो भी अलग अलग आप vaccination करते हो, those are up to date. At least 2-3 दिन हो जाने चाहिए उसके. दूसरी चीज़ is that a fit to fly certificate is required at least 72 hours before the flight, right? These two are mandatory. Then you have the carrier that is mandatory with the muzzle. That's all, I think. और उसके अलावा और कुछ airlines को और कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
So when we say fit to fly certificate, so a pet parent can visit a vet which they are visiting regularly and can ask them to give them a fit to fly certificate. Is that the scenario?
both ways है because see अगर मैं दिल्ली से फ्लाई कर रही हूँ तो इसकी रेगुलर वेट ही देंगे, लेकिन जब मैं डेस्टिनेशन से I'll fly back to Delhi, then it will be the vet of that area or of that region. So that is also one research you have to do before you fly, that where are the vets situated. So before your return flight you have to get another fit to fly.
Okay, so another question is, when we are saying fit to fly certificate, so is it mandatory for them to have certain kind of a format which is accepted by the airline, or on the letterhead they can easily mention yes, this pet fellow is completely fine and he can fly? I'm asking this question because yes, in metropolitan city we might get the vet who is aware of the pet certificate.
Yeah.
But if you are flying to some remote areas or the tier 3 cities, tier 2 cities, a vet could be a good vet, but he might not be updated with what is fly certificate.
हमने I think variety देख ली है अब तो. So Delhi, so whenever we are traveling from Delhi, the tier 1 cities, there is a set format, right? But whenever we are returning, so for example Andaman, for example Kerala,
Arunachal.
even Arunachal, right? So they do not have a very set format. They write it. So we have had written letters.
On the letterhead.
On the letterhead, they've written that I've inspected this dog and this dog is fit to fly. And अपना एक उनका बस ये होता है कि that the doctor's name should be visible and the stamp should be there.
Registered vet होना चाहिए. Not every vet can issue a fit to fly certificate. The vet has to be, should be a registered vet.
So if there is a pet parent who is flying from tier 2, tier 3 city, he can make the vet understand that they need to write that pet is fit and he or she can fly.
Yeah.
This is all what the airlines wants to know.
Yes.
Yeah.
हाँ, और वो 72 hours के within ही होना चाहिए, not older than that, because immediate health का जो भी fitness certificate होना चाहिए.
Okay. And another thing you mentioned was you should travel with your vaccination reports
Yes.
of the pet.
Yes.
So vaccination reports are the reports which happen from the day they are brought to the house. So they need to, once you fly, airline check the vaccines from the day they were brought home, or is it like they check the recent one? Because sometimes if you talk about a person who is like me, I am bit of the person who is not good with keeping the documents, so I might miss the one which were used which were not used recently.
So probably I would say that like you keep your 10th, 12th and graduation certificate safe, you have to keep that document safe as well. Alright?
Actually, I think what she was asking is if there are multiple vaccination records. So आजकल ऐसा होता नहीं है. There is one booklet every vet will give. उस पे
सारे वो
history
लगा
रहेगा.
एक लाइन में
So
जैसे
वही book आपको अच्छे से रखना पड़ेगा. You cannot lose that book because उसपे ना vaccine का जो stickers होता है, they paste the stickers also, which has the ID and QRs.
and they stamp it.
And then stamp it. So yeah, you cannot just reissue the vaccination cards again and again because the stickers would be lost. तो बहुत ही संभाल के you have to
ठीक है.
keep that, yeah.
So, how was your first business class experience?
Let me answer this. I have never experienced better, right? So I think I heard one video, or probably I saw one video where Steve Harvey was saying that, always try and travel first class once, because it's an experience that will push you to, improve in your own life and thrive to get something better. All right, because once you get that experience, it then you feel that कि economy में थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है, let me do something extra to get that experience again and again. So it is very good. Sadly she has not been able to get that experience more because she is managing Bunnu. मैं तो अपना खाना खा रहा हूँ, मैं अपना अपना ड्रिंक्स ले रहा हूँ, शी इज़ लाइक पंखा चला रही हूँ. तो अगर ये शांत है, आई थिंक 2 या 3 फ्लाइट्स पे ही यू गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ईट प्रॉपर्ली. नहीं तो मैं इसको फीड कर रहा होता हूँ, मैं अपनी
क्योंकि
प्लेट से खिला
एक्चुअली
कर
वो
रहा
सो
होता.
जाता है ना, आई डोंट वांट टू डिस्टर्ब हिम कि उठ जाए बेचारा. No, there's no
Because you
point.
are the one who is.
Yeah, because he's sleeping, let him sleep. It's okay if I miss the. But yeah, if you're asking about experience, definitely there is a big difference between the economy and the business. But it is not mandatory that if you have a pet, you have to push yourself to get a business class. But otherwise, yeah, experience तो better ही रहता है.
यार देखो, पैसा फेंकोगे,
Yeah.
जितना घी डलेगा ना उतना ही वो अच्छा होता है. So that's what is there.
And at least उस पे I think crew भी थोड़ा सा extra effort
Soft
डालते
हो
हैं
जाते हैं वो लोग.
for the fur baby also. That's what I've observed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because yes,
हाँ, yeah. एक
the
तो
pet is
थोड़ा-
traveling business
yeah,
class
थोड़ा
तो
सा तो
डालेगा.
mentality थोड़ा सा
थोड़ा सा
difference,
होता
yeah.
है. ठीक है. So let's talk about your best trip जो हमें लगी थी, that was Andaman. Because अभी तक वहाँ पे कोई भी pet fly नहीं करा है because state के खुद के restrictions हैं, which might be good to preserve whatever the heritage and the natural beauty they have. So how was the experience? What came across your mind that you decided कि yes, we have to take Bunnu to Andaman?
Actually, it came 2 years back. So it was not done in just a single day.
Manifestation ही है.
Manifestation ही हो सकता है. So what happened was in 2023 January. So every year January we travel like little far because that's his birthday month as well.
अच्छा.
तो 2023 में I first planned कि let's go to Andaman, and then when I researched I understood that Andaman is because a cluster of islands and you have to travel via cruise between the islands. तो उस पे जो cruise है वहाँ पे pets are not allowed, and even if allowed तो वो government ferry में there is a luggage section जहाँ पे luggage जाता है, वहाँ पे कुछ AC वैसी नहीं है, तो वहाँ पे pet को like in a carrier you can take them. So that was not a possible thing. So 2 years तक I was like after them I wrote them multiple emails and I called them. Then suddenly one day one of the crew said okay आप लेके आ जाओ, कोई बात नहीं. तो मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस भेज दिए कि यहाँ जा चुका है, एयरलाइंस में ट्रैवल कर चुका है. देन दे सेड कि ओके आप ले आओ, बट आप उसको ओपन में, मतलब ओपन वाला जो ओपन डेक वाला शिप है उसने अलाउ किया. So that is how we traveled to Andaman. But there is another story to it. When we reached there, when we were on the cruise, they said that no, he will not be allowed. You have to put him in the luggage. And then what did you say?
मैंने बोला मैं लगेज में साथ में जाऊंगा, तभी मैं इसको साथ में लूंगा, वरना मैं अब मेरे को अब डिवोट कर दो. I'm happy to.
मैं WhatsApp दिखा रही थी कि WhatsApp में हमने कन्वर्सेशन किया.
So is it like आप जब अंडमान पहुंचते हैं तो from the airport you need to take a cruise?
नहीं, एयरपोर्ट से नहीं, एयरपोर्ट इज ऑन पोर्ट ब्लेयर. पोर्ट ब्लेयर
Okay.
सिटी अंडमान का छोटा सा टाउन कह
Main
सकते हो,
city है.
मेन सिटी
ठीक है.
तो वो तो लाइक यू कैन जस्ट कवर. बट पोर्ट ब्लेयर से व्हेन यू विल गो टू एनी ऑफ द आइलैंड, बी इट हैवलॉक और नील और फॉर दैट मैटर एनी आइलैंड, तब आपको क्रूज
Cruise.
चाहिए. एंड देन वही क्रूज पे पेट्स अलाउड नहीं है. तो ये एक्सेप्शन में बुन्नू को अलाउ किया गया था. तो पहले तो उन्होंने फिर भी मना कर दिया था, बट सडनली मतलब होता ना गॉड इज देयर, व्हेन दे हैव, वो भगवान साथ ही कुछ ना कुछ होता है. अ गाय केम रनिंग, ही इज अ लाइक क्रेजी पेट लवर एंड डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड. ही गेव अस सच अ गुड ट्रीटमेंट. उसने सबको साइड किया कि आने दो, इसके लिए स्पेशल सीट, स्पेशल चेयर. आई थिंक आई हैव मेंशन his name on Instagram also couple of times because I still get emotional about it.
Yeah.
And we took 3 cruise Andaman में, and तीनों में वही staff थे. It was the same cruise and every time he got lot of love. But वही first में थोड़ा सा जो
घबराहट थी
कैप्टन
बहुत.
थे, कैप्टन शिप के कैप्टन होता है, तो उन्होंने मना कर दिया था पहले.
So if someone is planning for Andaman with their fur babies because they want to
Yeah.
have the same experience as you had, So can they contact the same captain
Yeah.
who can help
Yes,
I
them?
think Green Ocean 2 लिया था हमने.
Green Ocean 2 अभी भी पॉलिसी में there are no changes as per policy, there are no pets allowed, but हाँ फोन करके कुछ करके एग्जाम
So if a pet parent can convince a cruise company for making them travel, then that is the only way.
लेकिन वहाँ पे फिट टू फ्लाई आपका चेक होगा.
हाँ फिट
So you
टू
have
फ्लाई
to
तो
be
वहाँ
very-
पे भी होगा पर और हमें ना जहाँ पे पैसेंजर्स होते हैं तो वहाँ पे म्यूजिक एंड ऑल होता है तो जब हम जा रहे थे वी वर गिवन अ सीट ऑन द यू नो इन द सेम एरिया बट नो फॉर द लेटर क्रूज दे सेड
Returning में.
दैट समवन कैन यू नो क्रिएट अ रकस एंड कोई भी कंप्लेन कर सकता है तो हम वहाँ बैठे जहाँ पे कैप्टन ऊपर बैठते हैं ना लाइक देयर किचन एंड ऑल तो वहाँ पे हमने 2 प्लास्टिक की चेयर लगाई और हमने वही
हम खुले
जबकि
हवा
हमने
में
रॉयल
बैठे.
क्लास में वी बुक्ड आवर
हाँ,
टिकट्स
फर्स्ट क्लास के टिकट बुक करे थे.
हाँ बट वी हैड टू ट्रैवल दैट वे बट स्टिल वी वर वेरी ग्रेटफुल तो
Amazing experience.
हाँ
awesome.
या
Talked a lot about traveling in India abhi tak. So are there any chances for you to travel with him abroad?
we are manifesting that as well but abroad में travel करने का the one problem is you know the dog has to be microchipped okay so here there is a chip which is inserted he is a KCI registered pet and he has a microchip as well but somehow as a mother I don't feel like you know just injecting a chip into his skin although ये कहते हैं बहुत ही pain free process है बट उसके लिए वी आर होल्डिंग ऑन टू एनी ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप्स बट देखते हैं कभी
Let's see.
लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस
Yeah. कुछ नहीं हुआ. सो
कुछ नहीं हुआ कुछ नहीं हुआ ट्रैक्टर जा रहा है सो जाओ कुछ नहीं है हाँ
Can you explain in detail, do some countries allow pet as a tourist?
Yeah, I think there are a lot of countries that allow pets as a tourist. However, you have to do research on your own. All right. There are a lot of countries. I think I've recently have seen a lot of people traveling to Dubai as well with pets. And the thing is that their norms may be different, right? What kind of certifications is required? What kind of injections that may be
quarantine is
required?
also required
For some
certain
countries.
countries that you take the pet and you quarantine for example Bhutan में तो allowed ही नहीं है pets you know
Okay.
because they have some rabies policy and everything so they don't allow pets European countries are pet friendly you know Germany France they are pretty much pet friendly and their airlines are also pretty much pet friendly like Lufthansa if you say वो तो आराम से सो के भी जा सकते
They
हैं
have their own seats.
seats and all they can sleep even
Oh,
the
wow,
they
that's
are very pet
amazing.
friendly तो हाँ यूरोपियन कंट्रीज आर वेरी पेट फ्रेंडली बट पॉलिसीज आर डिफरेंट तो अब जब भी अब्रॉड जाओ चेक द पॉलिसी ऑफ द अराइविंग यू नो अराइवल कंट्री रादर देन फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर फ्लाइंग सो दैट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट
Okay. So this is the important note that has to be taken from here.
हम लोग रिसर्च में बहुत अच्छे हो गए हैं अब.
एंड मोस्टली द पेट हैज टू बी माइक्रोचिप फॉर ऑलमोस्ट ऑल कंट्रीज बिकॉज इफ दे यू नो अगर वो गुम जाते हैं या कुछ हो जाते हैं सो दैट वो माइक्रोचिपिंग से दे कैन रिट्रीव द डिटेल्स
Hope to do another podcast with you when you travel abroad and you have different experiences traveling with him.
to be very honest
So how do you choose the places when you are traveling with him?
it's my department
Yeah, that's your department
that's my
because
department.
she is the one who wants to
I'm a
travel the
travel
world.
freak. I love traveling, and matlab I keep on searching also. So, for example, Andaman is done now. I have Lakshadweep on my cards, but that is also very difficult because that is also not a pet-friendly place as of yet. Airlines bhi nahi hai, hotels bhi nahi hai. But yeah, I keep on. He has been to Bumla Pass also, by the way, which is India-China border in Arunachal, like the last point. So I think he has been to all unique places. तो मैं वैसे ढूंढती रहती हूँ कि कहाँ जा सकते हैं
So matlab we can say he has been to all the 4 extreme corners of the country.
Yes.
या साउथ या राइट नॉर्थ ईस्ट में गया हुआ है नॉर्थ में कश्मीर तक गया हुआ है आई थिंक राजस्थान गुजरात इज समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट
Yeah.
डन महाराष्ट्र गया हुआ है गोवा गया हुआ है तो आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट ही हैज कवर्ड अ लॉट
Yeah.
How do you choose pet friendly places?
that these days are pretty much convenient and easy so if you go to make my trip or booking.com for that matter you can have a filter applied you can just check pet friendly and they will give you ample of options
Plus Airbnb में भी है.
हाँ एयरबीएनबीज में भी आजकल बहुत है तो पेट फ्रेंडली प्लेसेस ढूंढना इज नो लॉन्गर अ चैलेंज एंड एवरी बजट का अवेलेबल आप कम से कम बजट में भी घूम सकते हो लग्जरी प्रॉपर्टी लाइक ताज मोस्टली 90% ऑफ द ताज प्रॉपर्टीज आर पेट फ्रेंडली आईटीसी प्रॉपर्टीज आर पेट फ्रेंडली मैरियट अभी बहुत सारे पेट फ्रेंडली है तो दैट्स नॉट अ चैलेंज एनी मोर लाइक आप अपने बजट के हिसाब से कहीं भी आप ट्रैवल कर सकते हो
You travel from Kashmir to Arunachal to Kerala to Rajasthan. How do people perceive when you travel with Bunnu at different places?
पहली बात तो बुन्नू का नाम लिया, he started wagging his tail. Yeah. So yeah, it depends like state to state, like people उनके behavior different होते हैं. So there are few states I would say, for example the northeastern states, they are very much pet friendly because वहाँ आपको हर second shop में एक अपना ही उनका रहता है
Dog, cat, anything.
Okay.
वो रखते ही है. तो वहाँ पे कोई restrictions हमें नहीं मिला, यहाँ नहीं जा सकते, यहाँ नहीं. इवन monasteries जो कि हमारे मंदिर होते हैं, वहाँ बुद्धिस्ट के वही monastery are there, worship place, वहाँ अंदर भी आप ले जाओ, अपने भी उनके डॉग्स रहते हैं. तो ये monastery भी गया हुआ है, सारे monasteries गया हुआ है. एंड वहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ कि हमें ये टूरिस्ट स्पॉट अवॉइड करना है. एवरी प्लेस ही वॉज अलाउड. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी स्टेट्स लाइक द वेस्टर्न स्टेट्स, मे बी राजस्थान, गुजरात, वेर देर आर मोर ऑफ पैलेसेस एंड एवरीथिंग, देयर आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दैट दे आर लिटिल कंजर्वेटिव टूवर्ड्स पेट. ऑब्वियसली मॉन्यूमेंट्स तो कहीं आप नहीं लेके जा सकते हो. सो इवन दो वी वेर इन उदयपुर, वी वेंट टू जयपुर, तो इट वॉज लाइक जहाँ अलाउड है हम वही लेके गए. There's a story I have, like especially in Udaipur. So in Udaipur we stayed at Taj Fateh Prakash, which is on Lake Pichola, bank of Lake Pichola, City Palace के premises के अंदर ही आता है. So that was pet friendly back then when we went last year. अभी वो भी no longer that is pet friendly. So actually जो उदयपुर के primary attractions है, City Palace, Lake Pichola, जगदीश मंदिर, सहेलियों की बारी, none of them are pet friendly. Pets are not allowed there.
Oh.
Yeah. सो क्योंकि वो होटल में हम एज ए गेस्ट रहे थे, तो ही वॉज अलाउड लाइक इनसाइड, क्योंकि वो सिटी पैलेस के थ्रू होके जाते और लेक पिचोला के साथ. दैट्स वी कुड एंजॉय दैट. एंड कोई भी बोट राइड अलाउ नहीं करता पेट को. तो हमने ताज को बहुत रिक्वेस्ट किया था, वट एवर यू वांट टू चार्ज. सो आई थिंक दे चार्ज अराउंड 12,000 फॉर 45 मिनट्स. बट स्टिल आई वाज लाइक मुझे बोलता ना नहीं कर सकते हो, वो मैं जरूर करना चाहती हूँ. ऐसे मैं बहुत जिद्दी हूँ.
That give another level of adrenaline rush
उसके
to
पीछे
you.
पड़ गई एक्चुअली. दिन से प्लीज आप कर दो, लाइक बेबी एंड ऑल. तो they were like, you with other fellow passengers you can't board, we'll book a special boat for you. So he was like, I think one of the only or maybe the second pet who was there on Lake Pichola जहाँ पे इसने 45 minutes का राइड लिया है बोट पे. अदरवाइज कहीं अलाउड नहीं होता.
प्रॉपर अपन के लिए एक प्रॉपर बोट थी एंड वी वर ओनली 3 of us and the boatman.
Okay, so maybe Udaipur was just confined for you till hotels only, just.
Hardly. Except there was one fort, Sajjanganj Fort, where he was allowed, but otherwise even cabs are not that pet friendly, because इसका size छोटा है, ये दिखता थोड़ा different है, and he is very शांत. तो फिर भी हमें एक benefit of doubt देके allow कर देते. But I think for people with medium size or bigger breeds, उनके लिए बहुत difficult है unless you take your own car. And अगर आपको बहुत explore करने का मन है सारे tourist spot, then that is not a place for you. तो वो रिसर्च आप करके जाओ. अगेन बीच एरियाज आर वेरी पेट फ्रेंडली. गोवा इज़ वेरी पेट फ्रेंडली. अंडमान ऑल्दो क्रूज अलाउ नहीं करता, बट अदरवाइज पीपल लोकल्स वेर वेरी मच पेट फ्रेंडली. इनफैक्ट देयर वाज वन लेडी, शी सेड दैट ये तो लक्ष्मी लग रहा है मुझे, ये बहुत लक्ष्मी, प्लीज़ एक बार मेरे बस शॉप में उसको बिठा दो 2 मिनट के लिए, मतलब मेरी दुकान में लक्ष्मी आ जाएगी. And I was like having tears from inside, from telling that don't come and then they are welcome. मैंने कहा ठीक है दीदी, mostly the population is Bengali there, तो हम उसको दुकान में बिठाया उसको. And they were like वो बैठा
क्या खाएगा
कि लक्ष्मी आएगी मेरे दुकान के. अच्छा, तो वो ये मिक्स्ड है. पर as a pet parent, if you are traveling, आप वो मत सोच के जाओ that you will explore every place, because there will be lot of places which will not allow pets. But वही अगर वो आपको मतलब जमता, if you accept, you have acceptance towards that, तब आप travel कर सकते हो. But if you want to explore everything and each and everything, then
So do you do any kind of a special preparation when it comes to visiting places like Arunachal Pradesh? Because abhi when we were having a conversation, you mentioned you went to Indian Chinese border. तो I feel वहाँ पे snow वगैरह होता होगा.
बिल्कुल.
So was there any special preparation or any kind of a funny story which you will like to share with the audiences?
We do have like lot of funny stories.
तो वहाँ पे the thing is that because it's very बहुत ही हाइट पे है, ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन की प्रॉब्लम रहती है, बिकॉज ठंडा भी है. अब बिकॉज दीज गाइज हैव अडेप्टेड टू इंडियन कंडीशंस अ लॉट, तो हमें लगता है कि दैट वो पता नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि ऑल्दो ही इज़ अ डॉग फ्रॉम चाइना, भूटान, उस पर टिबेट के ऐसे है, लेकिन अभी भी इनको ठंड होती है तो जुकाम हो जाता है, नाक बहने लगते हैं. तो फिर हमने तो हमने भी पूछा था कि दैट यू नो इफ एनी स्पेशल प्रिपरेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड, तो दे टोल्ड अस दैट वहाँ पे शायद हो सकता है उसको ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। तो हम लोगों ने मतलब एड़ी चोटी का जो जोर लगा के हमने एक ऑक्सीजन का सिलेंडर लिया
बड़ा वाला
होटल से।
सिलेंडर तो था,
हाँ
इसका मुंह इतना एंड देन इतना बड़ा सिलेंडर हम लिए। देन ऑल्सो वी आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल, अगर बड़े से नहीं हो पाए तो वी वेंट टू ऑल द फार्मेसी से छोटे कैंस होते हैं वो भी लेके गए, नो लाइक 2-3
Oh.
कैंस एंड एवरीथिंग, वी वर सो प्रिपेयर्ड। बट ही वाज एंजॉयिंग, वो ही
ये
वाज
तो
लाइक
भाग
कि
रहा है
मुझे
बर्फ में,
स्नो में जाने दो, एंड हिज फादर वाज लाइक
और मैं गाड़ी के अंदर में बैठ के
he was
सांस नहीं आ रही,
he was
सांस
not
नहीं आ
able
रही।
Seriously?
yeah, like me and him was, we both were absolutely fine and the place is so beautiful, I can't express in words, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आई थिंक हर एक नो इट्स अ मतलब माउंटेन, तो एक टर्न लोगे एक लेक आएगा, लेक के बीच में सॉरी माउंटेन के बीच में लेक एंड ऑल दैट, सो वी बोथ
Frozen lake.
वेर एंजॉयिंग द फ्रोजन लेक्स एंड ही वाज
मैं सो रहा हूँ तो सो वी वर हैविंग अ कन्वर्सेशन फ्यू डेज बैक, शी वाज आस्किंग तुम्हारा सबसे बेस्ट ट्रिप कौन सा है, मैं अंडमान का, शी वाज लाइक नहीं हमारा अरुणाचल का अच्छा, मैंने कहा तुम्हारे लिए होगा, मैं तो सो रहा था।
तो ये तो हम कभी कभी ओवर भी करते हैं, बट आई थिंक एज अ पेट पेरेंट ओवर करना स्टिल बेटर देन यू नो
Doing nothing.
doing
Yeah.
nothing, yeah, right.
And what is your favorite destination or favorite memory which you have while traveling with him?
फेवरेट मेमोरी तो इसके फोटोशूट्स होते हैं ऑनेस्टली, अगर मैं बोलूँ ना तो। सो अर्लियर व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड ट्रैवलिंग, व्हेन बुन्नू वाज नॉट इन आवर लाइफ, वी यूज्ड टू वेक अप 10 ब्रेकफास्ट से पहले, राइट? बट व्हेनेवर यू नो नाउ ही इज़ इन आवर लाइफ, we wake up 5 or 6 in the morning so that you know we can go to the beach or to the places where we want to take him and he can explore that, right? because उसके लिए स्निफारी बहुत ज़रूरी है, वो स्निफ करेगा। तो दैट्स वाई वी वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एंड वी इंश्योर कि हम लोग लोकली कोई एक फोटोग्राफर ले लें एंड देन वी क्लिक अ लॉट ऑफ पिक्चर्स। तो इसके
बहुत
जैसे
मजा आता है।
ग्लासेस में पिक्चर्स हैं,
Rapid
बीच
fire
पे
के
भाग
dress-
रहा है,
dresses में बहुत
इसका
सारे-
एक वो रैपिड फायर का हार्ट वाला ड्रेस के साथ में हमने वो जो वो किया था, तो उस पे बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स, तो वो हम मेमोरीज इसके बहुत सारे कलेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे
इसका
हैं।
ना एक्चुअली फर्स्ट शूट तब हमारे पास इंस्टाग्राम पेज नहीं था, बट बैक देन ऑल्सो हम रैपिड फायर से ही कपड़े ऑर्डर करते थे। हम गोवा गए थे तब पेज वेज आई थिंक जस्ट गोवा जाने से एक दिन पहले में
क्या
भी
100 थे, 80-90 थे।
80-90 फॉलोअर्स थे, मतलब ऐसे ही था, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, बट स्टिल हमने शूट करवाया था वहाँ प्रॉपर। तो वो एक हमारा रिचुअल है कि हम जाते हैं तो कोई फोटोग्राफर होते हैं कि शूट करते हैं, बहुत हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है वो वाला मेमोरी।
So, what was the idea when you started the page? How it became like a page where you're solving every query about the pet travel?
तो पहले हमने इसका प्राइवेट पेज बनाया था, सो वी वर जस्ट मेकिंग वीडियोस फॉर आवर ओन मेमोरी एंड वाज जस्ट डूइंग इट। एंड देन व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड ट्रैवलिंग, वी नेवर यूज्ड टू सी अ लॉट ऑफ videos about pet travel and all that. Then both of us discussed that let's create one page and help the fellow pet parents, right? You will see that you know we share a lot of content related to pet parents that will help them to travel with their food के लिए he is not a very ideal one, but with
than
traveling,
that, yeah.
kapde and you know doing funny things, he's there. So
Yeah.
that he is our inspiration for doing it. We never thought that you know we will create a page जो कि अभी 20-25 हज़ार फॉलोअर्स के साथ में होगा हमारा, बट या ही
हमने
इज
कभी नहीं
द वन।
सोचा था एक्चुअली। हम दोनों वी डोंट लाइक पोस्टिंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया, फिर इंडिविजुअल पेजेस, इवन व्हाट्सएप के डीपी भी मैं शायद 3 साल से नहीं बदल
फुन्नू की फोटो
तो ऐसे से हमने एक पेज एक डिफरेंट हो गया, और हमने इतने लोगों से वी कनेक्टेड एंड यू नो दे से दैट इट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल, तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है, यू नो पीपल व्हेन पीपल अप्रिशिएट।
अभी जैसे मुंबई भी गए थे,
या
वी फेल्ट लाइक यू नो वी आर गोइंग बैक टू मुंबई टू आवर फैमिली, बिकॉज जितने भी फेलो पेट पेरेंट्स थे
Everyone
दे
wanted to meet.
वेलकम्ड अस लाइक यू नो विद द वार्म हार्ट। हमें खाने पे बुला रहे हैं, सोचो एक नए शहर पे जा रहे हो एंड देन पीपल आर कॉलिंग यू कि आप हमारे घर
बुन्नू
आओ,
से मिलना है,
खाना
लाइक जस्ट
खाओ।
वन थिंग, हमें बुन्नू से मिलना है, मतलब
हाँ।
इतना प्यार। कभी कभी यू नो वी गेट टीयर्स। एक और इंसिडेंट हुआ था केरला में, जब हम फिट टू फ्लाई बना रहे थे तो डॉक्टर नहीं मिल रहा था, बट समहाउ वी फाउंड अ लेडी, आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड टू हर, उसको उसने बुन्नू को देखा, शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग, सो वी सेड कि कितना मतलब हाउ मच वी नीड टू पे, एंड शी इज जस्ट
शी इज लाइक
no
नो
nothing
मनी,
nothing and
नो
she was
मनी।
crying, she just met बुन्नू for 5-6 minutes। तो जब हम देखते ना कोई बुन्नू को इतना प्यार दे रहा है, वही हमारा बेस्ट मतलब मेमोरी का बेस्ट पार्ट रहता है। लेकिन कोई हमें डिस्क्रिमिनेट करता है वो हमारा फिर खराब भी रहता है, बट मोस्टली तो प्यार ही मिलता है इसके साथ।
अब तो कोई नहीं, हम
हाँ।
लोग बैलेंस हो जाता है।
So now you have created a pet community where you are helping every pet parent, or mostly most of them, just with giving them guidance about the travel, how it feels. What do you what do you want to say?
What we are doing is we are just sharing our experiences, right? There is always someone who is doing it for the first time, and we are trying to do that, so that all, because there are a lot of pet parents who want to explore the world, right? Because मैंने कहीं पे saying पढ़ी थी कि that their world is as big as you make it, right? So we try to make his world as big we can, and also इन्फ्लुएंस अदर पेट पेरेंट्स कि आप भी अपने पेट्स के साथ जाओ, क्योंकि जब हम फ्लाइट एयरपोर्ट पे भी जाते हैं दे आस्क अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, हाउ डिड यू गेट हिम हियर, क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, ताकि उनको भी थोड़ा सा इन्फ्लुएंस हो। तो हम लोग बोलते हैं कि आप हमसे कनेक्ट करो, इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू फॉलो अस डोंट फॉलो अस, हमारा नंबर ले लो, इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन राइट टू अस एंड वी विल आंसर इट। एंड अगर आप हमारे पेज पे भी लोगों से भी पूछोगे तो वी जस्ट आंसर एज मच एज वी कैन। हम लेकिन तो शायद ऐसा भी किया है कि दैट कि एक देयर वाज वन लेडी हु वांटेड टू ट्रैवल टू गुवाहाटी, हमने स्टार्ट टू एंड एंड व्हेन शी रीच देयर एंड वी आस्क्ड हर आप
And
सही
we
से
were
पहुंच
the-
गए, शी
yeah.
वाज वेरी हैप्पी।
And we were the first person she told कि we no she reached. तो जब वो आता है ना कि लोग पहुंच गए, हमें देख के किसी ने ट्रैवल किया,
For you, it's like a
बहुत
sense of responsibility
बहुत
to
अच्छा
create
लगता
the
है।
awareness
हाँ,
about the travel
बहुत अच्छा लगता है
with
कि
the
हम
pet.
आपको देखते हैं, बहुत इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है, हम भी ट्रैवल करेंगे एंड देन दे गो एंड देन दे अप्रिशिएट अस, तो बहुत सेंस ऑफ एक सेटिस्फेक्शन
So 20 flights with him. Where are you traveling next with him, and when?
That's a very good question, because this time it may not be a flight.
may or may not be a flight, yeah, because he haven't tried train yet, तो हमें था कि एक एक्सपीरियंस इसको ट्रेन का भी देना बनता है। तो नेक्स्ट मोस्टली विल गो टू गोवा, तो वन साइड वी विल गो बाय ट्रेन, अगेन कमिंग बैक विल टेक अ फ्लाइट, बट इस बार हम उसको ट्रेन का एक्सपीरियंस देंगे क्योंकि हम भी जानना चाहते हैं कि वो कैसा है, क्योंकि ये क्रूज कर चुका है, बोट कर चुका है, गंडोला राइड कर चुका है, व्हाट एल्स ही हैज डन,
इसने तो आई थिंक
सारे मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट इसने ये ले चुका है, मतलब छोटे से कायाक बोट से लेके क्रूज तक, बस एक ट्रेन रहता है तो वो मुझे कराना है, तो
Yeah.
इसीलिए हम इस बार जाते टाइम ट्रेन से शायद जाएंगे।
Amazing. So you people must be jet lag when you travel. What about him? How does his day look after the day or after the flight he has taken?
I'll take that up.
Yeah, yeah.
And ये मैं अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर रही हूँ, इट्स नॉट दैट एवरी पेट विल बी सेम, बट इसका ना बहुत डिफरेंट तरीका है टू डील विद दैट। ही विल स्लीप फ्लाइट में पूरा, लाइक लैंडिंग हो जाएगा, लैंड भी कर जाएगा, फिर उसको उठाना पड़ता है, एंड द मोमेंट वी गो आउट ऑफ द एयरक्राफ्ट उसके अंदर कौन सी एनर्जी आती है आई डोंट नो, लाइक बाय द टाइम वी आर टायर्ड कि भाई मतलब, एंड ही विल रन लाइक अ रैबिट, ही विल हॉप एकदम, मतलब बहुत खुश हो जाता है। सो इसमें कोई जेट लैग है नहीं, बट उल्टा उसके बर्स्ट ऑफ एनर्जी आ जाती है दैट ही हैज कम टू अ न्यू प्लेस, ही विल जस्ट टर्न इनटू अ
So
रैबिट।
now he understands that
he understands, but
he has reached the new place.
बट क्योंकि ये एक पॉडकास्ट है and हम लोगों को गाइड भी करना चाहते हैं, डेफिनेटली देयर कैन बी अ चांस दैट योर पेट इज़ नॉट फीलिंग वेल, नोजिया हो सकता है, वो प्रेशर का कुछ फ़र्क पड़ सकता है, सो टेक केयर ऑफ दोज थिंग्स, जस्ट ऑब्जर्व करो। हमें अभी एक्सपीरियंस है, बट अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम फ्लायर्स हो, जस्ट ऑब्जर्व देम कि वो कैसे
So-
बिहेव करते हैं।
The important question arise over here is there any veterinarian available on the airport terminals or any kind of emergency help that could be given to them if they are not feeling well after flying?
I think Delhi airport पे pet services is there. We are not sure. Thankfully, we have never had to ask for any veterinary services at the airport. However, what we do is कि हम जहाँ जा रहे होते हैं वहाँ का हम लोग नियरेस्ट
पहले ही देख
वेटनरी
के
देख
जाते
के
हैं।
रखते हैं, ताकि
Just
क्योंकि रिटर्न का फिट टू फ्लाई भी बनाना होता है तो वो हम लोग देख के रखते हैं। बट इसका जैसे कि वी ऑल्सो कैरी अ बैग विद ऑल द मेडिसिन दैट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड, राइट? तो हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि जो प्राइमरी मेडिसिन हो गए, डिजिटन हो गया, या फिर कोई अगर टिक वगैरह का हो गया, एलर्जी का हो गया, वो सारे हम लोग डॉक्टर के साथ में डिस्कस करके एक किट बना के ही रखते हैं हम लोग उसको।
So इस podcast के बाद we can get that
फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स का yes, वो भी
yes.
हम बिल्कुल शेयर कर सकते हैं।
Okay. And how do you people prepare your cameras to shoot while traveling? Because I feel that might be a task for both of you to take care of.
Not for me.
of us.
Okay.
वो डिपार्टमेंट मेरा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है।
क्योंकि gadgets is something that I take care of everything, laptop, camera. So we have 3 phones जिसमें इसका content shoot होता है. We also have one gimbal camera जिस पे इसका कंटेंट शूट होता है एंड फिर उसके बाद में वी कैरी अ आईपैड एंड अ मैकबुक ताकि हम लोग वो डेटा सेव कर सकें. अभी ये 3.5 साल का है लेकिन इसका करीबन 8 टेराबाइट का डेटा हम लोग सेव कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. राइट,
अपना नहीं है
हमारा इसमें आई थिंक 98% इसी की पिक्चर्स होंगी, 2% में हम लोग इसके साथ में हैं बस.
ड्रोन
राइट,
भी होते
तो ड्रोन भी था हमारे पास में, बट ड्रोन अभी रिसेंटली हमारा अंडमान ट्रिप में वो डूब गया. बट या एंड प्लस हम लोग माइक और स्टैंड्स वगैरह लेके चलते हैं बिकॉज वी ट्राई टू क्रिएट गुड कंटेंट. मेरे को काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है एडिटिंग करने में और ये सब करने में, बट बिकॉज ऑफ वर्क एंड ऑल दैट इट नाउ यू वुड सी दैट यू नो हमारा कंटेंट मिक्स होता जा रहा है. हम लोग काफ़ी शॉर्ट कंटेंट भी बना रहे हैं एंड स्किट्स बनाने की हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा कोशिश कर
You are
रहे हैं.
trying to create more of a funny,
Funny.
interactive
हमारा
video.
पेज ना मोस्टली मैं बहुत कोशिश करती हूँ कि सैड चीज़ें पोस्ट ना ही करूँ क्योंकि यू नो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड व्हिच कैन मेक पीपल सैड. सो इफ यू कैन मेक समबडी हैप्पी दैट्स व्हाट वी ट्राई. सो मोस्टली विल सी द फनी कंटेंट ओनली. मतलब जो भी हैप्पी चीज़ें हम वही डालते हैं. एंड ही इज़ ऑल्सो कैमरा फ्रेंडली अभी क्योंकि ये बचपन से शूट करता आ रहा है तो दैट वे. बट हम उसको कभी फोर्स नहीं करते. He is himself now comfortable, but that's a tip for every pet parent that if your baby is not comfortable in doing something, let it be. You know, उसको वैसे ही रहने दो. He is comfortable तभी हम करते हैं. शायद
Yeah.
हम नहीं भी करते अगर वो नहीं होता तो comfortable.
So when you went to Meghalaya, you used Rapid for raincoat.
Yeah.
So how was the experience of using a raincoat for a fur baby? Was there any reactions which were funny enough to discuss with us?
हाँ, so she was standing in front of a waterfall and he was wearing the raincoat and all of a sudden when she turned and people saw that instead he's not a human kid, it's
पहले
a dog.
लगा कि you know I'm carrying a baby क्योंकि उसका टोपी and all तो you know some people came कि डिजाइन क्योंकि क्यूट बहुत डिजाइन था वो. एंड देन जब देखा कि डॉग है ना मतलब वाटरफॉल से ज्यादा इसके सामने पूरा वो आई थिंक शॉर्ट भी मैंने डाला था
हाँ.
कि लोग कैसे भीड़ हो गए थे क्योंकि उनको पता भी नहीं था कि डॉग्स के बिकॉज वो रिमोट एरिया है और वहाँ पे डॉग्स बहुत स्ट्रांग है. यहाँ के दिल्ली के डॉग्स इतने स्ट्रांग नहीं है. तो ये बचपन से ही एक्चुअली रैपिन फर के क्लोथ्स पहनता है बीट रेनकोट या कुछ भी. तो अगेन विंटर में अरुणाचल में जहाँ पे ये बीइंग अ टिबेटियन डॉग ये शिवर कर रहा था. ही हैड टू वेयर 2 layers ऑफ स्वेटर्स एज वेल एंड लोग देखते बहुत हैरान हो जाते कि लगता बहुत क्यूट है ये उसे.
हाँ, और पार्क वाक में भी जाता है ना तो अगर इसने वो जो पूरा वंजी पहन रखा होता है ना,
एक ना इसका वो है मतलब
Rapid for वाला जो onesie है.
वो तो मतलब इसका सबसे कश्मीर में वही
मुझे देख के बहुत अच्छा लगता है इसका बम ना पूरा पैंट पहन के just
कश्मीर में
walking.
एकदम स्नो में उसमें पहन के वो भागा. लोग बहुत ज़्यादा तारीफ कर रहे थे इसकी. तो अट्रैक्शन बन जाता है कि लोग आ जाते हैं देखने के लिए बिकॉज थोड़ा डिफरेंट भी लगता है. आउटफिट वगैरह पहन के बहुत क्यूट भी लगता है और इम्पॉर्टेंट भी. इट्स नॉट ओनली जस्ट अबाउट फैशन. अगर हम रेनकोट बोले या फिर नो विंटर वेयर बोले दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर देम एज वेल.
मुझे तुम इसे फ्रॉक पहना देते हो.
हाँ फ्रॉक भी बहुत पहनाना मुझे बहुत पसंद
तो
है.
ये इसको मेरे को लगता है ये लड़की बनाना चाहते थे इसको.
मुझे बहुत पसंद है
So
फ्रॉक.
you people use Rapid for harnesses also. How is the experience with the harnesses?
हार्नेस काफ़ी अच्छे से सॉफ्ट है, ठीक है. और द थिंग इज़ कि इसके साइज़ पे मिल जाते हैं हमें सबसे अच्छा, और ब्राइट कलर्स हैं ताकि रात में भी दिखें बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी. और आई थिंक आप लोगों का एक हार्नेस भी था जिसमें मतलब उसमें रिफ्लेक्टिव वाले भी थे. ब्लैक कलर का था उसमें रिफ्लेक्टिव था. तो इट्स वेरी गुड क्योंकि जैसे हम लोग इसको कई बार रात में 10 बजे क्योंकि ही गोज़ आउट 3 times a day तो फिर हमें रात में ना कई बार होता है कि लाइट नहीं है वो तो लेकिन वो रिफ्लेक्टिव वाला बहुत अच्छे से दिखता है. तो इट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल. प्लस हम लोग घूमने भी जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे लाइट नहीं मिलता.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि डिजाइन्स बहुत यूनिक और क्वालिटी. इसके लिए तो मुझे बस बेस्ट ही चाहिए. मतलब आई कांट इवन कॉम्प्रोमाइज विद द सेकंड बेस्ट.
अब जो ये बेड्स वगैरह हैं इतने अच्छे हैं
ये और मतलब बहुत ही क्यूट लगता है कपड़े पहन के. तो मुझे तो बहुत शौक है. सो आई डू इट.
Okay. Thank you for the wonderful time.
Thank you so much
for making us go through your entire journey in this small podcast. Maybe it becomes a point of reference for a lot of parents who want to travel with their pets.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
It was
lovely.
pleasure having you.
Yeah.
Same
और
here.
pleasure having us कैसे बोलते
It was pleasure having us.
हाँ, it was pleasure to be there in your
हाँ.
podcast.
एक बार हम सबसे मुन्नू को भी मुला. मुन्नू इधर
आ जाओ, आ जाओ.
जल्दी आओ. जंप कर. आ जाओ.
जो मेरा बेटा
करो.
मेरा छोटा बेटा आजा मेरा.
तो ये है ये हमारा बुन्नू जो जिसके बारे में हम 1 घंटे से. तो थैंक यू फ्रॉम बुन्नू एज वेल. है ना बुन्नू.
बोलो.
हाय बुनू, से थैंक यू.
हाँ सच में इसने किया.